Hello YouTube, Eric here with another video. Today we got another new belt unboxing video. This one's coming to us from SA Championship Belts, Stephen Hayes. This right here is a custom belt that has been a long time coming. I ordered this quite a while ago, and it took some time to get the details right and to get it set up, everything I wanted. Of course, there's holdups and things that happen, but all of that is in the past, and here we are today, opening up my custom, and I'm so super stoked about it. So let's just get this box open, folks. This championship is very similar to another championship. If you've been watching my page and you've been checking out my unboxing videos, you might recognize this. But this actually was ordered first. It was ordered well before the other one that I have. And so here we are. Oh my goodness, I can see it already. Holy cow. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, fiery. Very fiery looking back strap there. The backing. Oh man. Oh man, I'm going to be very careful here. Very, very careful. Take your time, especially when you're doing it one-handed. Nice packing job, Stephen. It's totally covered. It's like got plastic wrap everywhere. Every inch is protected. And that's how it should be. So be very careful, guys. If you're getting in a belt and you're unpacking and you're using a razor blade like I am, you don't want to cut into your nice material here. Just taking a minute here to free up some of the bubble wrap. Oh my goodness. Nice job on the big box. It was well protected. Received it via FedEx as it was coming from the US. And you can see that on top of that, Stephen basically plastic wrapped the whole thing. And the reason that I like this is because there's no possibility of plates scraping together and things like that. So I'm going to, this is a little bit more delicate here, so I'm going to just go ahead and take a moment. Just briefly look at that. Whoa. I'm loving what I'm seeing so far. I'm going to manpower to pull this stuff out now because I'm too close to the belt and I don't want to use the cutter. Come on, come on, come on. My man, Stephen, did an excellent job wrapping this thing. It just is making it a little bit more difficult for me, and that's okay. Once back, and I just spent some time cutting the plastic off. Oh, wow. Okay. So there's a little bit of a dragon scale theme. Maybe this is croc, but I love it. It looks great. Everything is covered well. Looks like he did a real nice job putting in the snaps. Here's the tip. And without further ado, whew. The Ammons Martial Arts Taekwondo Championship. Look at that. This is an homage to my martial arts studio. And it's beautiful. I'm trying to film and look at details at the same time. I asked for a number of nameplates because we will be using this belt to compete. So that's the black belts in my school, various names. And there it is. Wow, let me see here. It's a little different from the other one. It's clear stones. Different look in the middle of the belt, but what do you think, guys? I'm so stoked. I'm happy. Let's start with the strap. My first impressions. It's stiff. It's a little stiff. But it's brand new. Okay, it is real leather. And it will take some time, I imagine, to soften up. I think the tooling is, typical Pakistani fare, I would say. Clamshell, it's kind of eh. I have other belts with, a slightly better clamshell look. But look, we all know that these coming from overseas, they are not known for specifically the leather. So I would say, although I love the backing and it's fantastic, the look is amazing and it pops, I'd say average. Now the plates though, the etching, I like the etching. They're very mirrored. They don't look over finished or scratched up. I love the gems. The gems have a little bit extra shine. Definitely a nice mirroring. I mean, there I am, right? There's my self-portrait, so hey. Very nice plates, big, clear, etching I like. This is the design I came up with. Well, it's based off of the IWGP belt, but the other designs I came up with myself. So like and subscribe, guys. Let me know what you think. I'm happy. I'm going to spend some more time with this belt, and I will do a more detailed review.